Alright, I'm testing out a new battery pack here with the reed switch, which is inside this cardboard box just to give it a little distance. And so far it's been working really well. Obviously our experience with reed switches in the past dictates that we need to do quite a bit of testing before we're happy with it, but might buy some more of these. Install it. So yeah, everything runs. You can load the motor, of course. And in this direction it should stop on its own after a little while. And then it'll drive back in the other direction until it stalls. And then in this direction, I can stall it. Or again going that same direction, it'll stop after the timer expires. But stall detection is still running now, so if I stalled it, it would stop. So far our reed switch is pretty good. You can see I can turn on the little red light. Let's get it in focus. Pretty consistently. And take the magnet away. I don't know, this reed switch is pretty good, but need more testing.